Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a great day. We're taking a quick look here at Solana, seeing what's going on here. It does look like we broke above this previous resistance level of $58, tentatively retesting that. Okay, so this is a very, very good sign since we left off last night. Absolutely something we were looking for because we are still establishing higher highs and higher lows. While they're not definitive, it is definitely a good start. Okay, so we're going to talk about that and much more. If you're new to the channel, I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to become a better trader, again, cryptocash.tech is a site. Link down below. Also, be sure to check out our exclusive partnership with Bitunix. Between now and November 30th, you can claim a nice little $20 bonus there just for registering using my link. And obviously, we have future trading competitions with that exchange. But the key takeaway here, no VPN, no KYC. Really nice option for our US and Canadian members. So let's look at the backend data first and kind of work our way down. And when we looked at this yesterday here, it's probably easier to see with my other font here. We can see a pretty heavy concentration, about $60 to $62, okay? So again, there's a lot of shorts heavy at that range. In fact, the amount of shorts has increased at this level here since we looked yesterday. It looks a little darker red. So it really just implies that right around $60.10, we have a strong, strong amount of liquidation, okay? Again, that'll happen. Now, keep in mind, too, half of them got swept, too. You can kind of see this here. Majority of them got swept right around $60. Okay? So just something to kind of be mindful of. It's really helpful to understand because once we hit 60, the price action could continue much further up. Okay? So again, that's why I was mentioning yesterday, try not to be a short at this point because this coin does definitely have some pretty decent momentum, and Bitcoin's maintaining at 37.7. I do think we're going to see a few coins this weekend, including Solana, continue further up. Okay, so good stuff there. Take a look quickly here at the daily, and we'll just work our way down here. We can see money flow index still coming down. That's typically not a great sign, but on the 4-hour it does reflect a different story. But generally speaking, we're maintaining above 50 on the RSI on the daily, and that's the most important, I guess, confirmational factor that we have here. If we take a look too as well at a few other things, we can kind of see that we're up above the 20-day set moving average, and that's an important factor as well. So looking on the 4-hour here, let's talk a little bit about kind of what's going on here, because again, I got some lines on the chart. Generally speaking, we have this ascending bull flag type of pattern, right, where the price comes up, works itself into a descending type of pattern, and continues higher. A lot of times it'll test both levels 3 or 4 times. And we've seen that already so far. With it breaking above this descending trend, that's an extremely positive sign. Okay, so it's somewhat of a trend reversal. And if we take a look too, as moving averages are concerned, we were below the 50 last night. Now we're back up over that, and that's a really good thing. We can also see here we're maintaining above 50 in the RSI. Money flow index kind of flattening out. And now that's not an extremely complimenting factor, but it's not bad either. Okay. We can look here at the moving average convergence divergence. We can see here we got a normal convergence there, nothing super out of the ordinary. So all in all, things are kind of in good shape. Again, I'm gonna emphasize the word kind of. This isn't like a phenomenal breakout, but honestly, being above that resistance, as we can see, we had a lot of trouble passing that $58 mark. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pretty much 10 4-hour candles, 40 hours in a row. We got the price action rejecting off of that. So there's a decent chance we'll have some kind of lift off here at about 58 or higher. So to me, $58 would be a good entry for a long position. Let's confirm that quickly on the cloud as well. This should actually give us confirmation as well, because last night it was looking decent, just not phenomenal. Pretty much the same story, right? So what I mean by that is we're above the cloud. That's the key takeaway here. But if you look at the lagging span, we are not free and clear of the price action, and the conversion line is above the baseline. So we've got 2 out of 3 positive confirming factors here letting us know to leave your long position open. So if you're part of my community, we have a long position open with Solana. Definitely retain that. Congrats again to our members last night for taking 25% in 4 hours on Cartesi. That was a pretty nice little swing trade there. Premium Plus group's also doing very well. It's just kind of hitting targets here and there because when price gets kind of range bound, it's consistently finding better opportunities. We did find a nice little Litecoin trade there, 22%. And again, nice Solana. I think that was a short last night when the price pulled back at 34 minutes, 13%. Cool stuff there. All right, folks, thanks again for watching. Hope you learned something here today. Of course, you want to become a better trader, cryptocash.tech is a site. Make sure you like, follow, and subscribe if you haven't already. Great to have you on board, and I do look forward to working with you in the future. Hope you have a good rest of your day. Thanks again for your time. See you soon.